My name's Peyton Bell. I'm with Bell Autobody Collision Center, and we use EagleMMS on a daily basis to track our consumable materials on every job. We have an instance with Liberty Mutual, Safeco Insurance Company. They paid an Eagle invoice with a 46V tri-coat paint. It's a special paint. It's really expensive, and Eagle was able to break down the individual components of that paint. We were able to itemize them with billable part numbers, and we submitted that to the insurance company on our second supplement. After the vehicle repairs were complete, it resulted in a payment of $475.83 on top of their initial calculation of $492.20. So almost a 50% increase on material with EagleMMS.
Right on. How has your user experience been kind of as a whole, just with multiple carriers? And
it takes our estimators 2 minutes to plug everything in. Once you learn the software, it goes really fast. As far as carriers across the board, people are starting to recognize line item material invoicing instead of the obsolete rate pay. But as far as submissions, they seem to be read pretty clearly. We don't get a ton of pushback on the consumables. There's some disposables that, they still hide behind cost of goods sold or, cost of doing business. However, we are getting them to acknowledge the paint portions, a lot more body materials. We're no longer doing the calculations the old industry way. We are billing things that are consumed on the job, and we're getting pretty good results out of the software.
Awesome. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at EagleMMS.com and hit attend webinar in the bottom right. We run public demos every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Eastern. So thank you. Bye.